Don't judge me.
Wow.
It is 12:31. Chris completely jinxed us last night.
Sure did.
Like, literally, the second our eyes closed, Tanner started screaming. And Tanner is not a screamer. Like, he just will do like a little whimper, give him his binky, he'll go back to sleep. No, he was flipping out last night. He is very horrible at taking medication. We tried to give him Motrin. Chris got like a drop in him, but he gets that from Chris. Chris was the same way when he was little.
My mom used to have to put me in the bathtub because I would just spit it all right back up. It was disgusting.
Yeah. Carter takes his medicine like a champ. So
he was
recap
really
of the morning.
Up since for good. Like he was up like 4 or 5 times from midnight.
Yeah.
And then was up for good at 5.
He woke up Carter, so we put them both in our bed, tried to watch a movie with them, so like we could kind of like all fall asleep together, but that didn't really happen.
No shot.
Then you guys played in the playroom, right?
No, we went right downstairs. So that leads us to right now. We felt like we needed some us time.
So my sister took the boys, and we are out on the border, and I'm gonna go down some spicy salsa in hopes that'll make Ella want to come out.
How was that leaving Carter at your sister's? Pretty good.
It's horrible. He's attached to me right now, and I'm horrible at being like, okay, bye. I'm like, it's okay, and then he yells at me.
I don't yell, I just say it'd be easier to just
rip the band-aid off.
I was gonna use that, yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, let's go eat some lunch and remember why we like each other.
I love you so much.
I love you. I wish I could have a freaking margarita. So soon, right, Ella? So soon. You should drink for me.
It is spicy, isn't it?
Always eating.
You're like Brad Pitt in Ocean's 11. He eats in every scene.
Yummy, yummy. You, not the nachos.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was so amazing. Now we're at Target. This is like the best day ever.
If we ever get out of the car. You do, you match perfectly. Why do moms love Target so much?
There's so many reasons. How am I supposed to explain that?
I'm gonna play a little game in here. Count the moms. I'm setting the over-under at like...
I love the dollar spot.
65.
I like coffee.
I bet I hit it in the first 10 minutes. Shopping, and Tiffany almost fell over onto me.
At least the cart was here. Oh my gosh.
Legs gave out.
So scary.
It's like a wobbly something.
A weeble wobble?
A weeble wobble.
What memory card do I get?
We need more memory. We're vlogging too much. And look at all this amazing stuff. I can't wait to do a haul for you guys. Twice in Chili's. Twice in Target.
Look at this baby. It's pushing on my bladder.
Clearly.
What?
Here's Daddy.
Daddy's with me too. Are you having fun at Aunt Crickle's?
No.
No? Why not?
Hi.
Do you want me to come get you?
You.
Thanks, Angela.
Picking up the boys. Gotta go up the mountain. Oh my goodness. Well, there goes baby Ella. Just knocked her head into the cement.
Look at.
Close your eyes, Carter. We got Carter a prize at Target.
Alright, wait, okay. Stand up.
Stand up.
Okay, sit down.
Okay, sit right on this.
Stand up, sit on it. Caddy, help us.
Tanner's laughing.
Too. Tanner got one.
It was a good time at Crickle's house, right? And Mommy and Daddy had a nice little date.
You ready to go for quiet time?
Yeah.
Your whoopee cushion?
Let me hear one more toot.
We're 5.
Yeah.
Why
Fart scare every time.
why won't please put this in my room?
I'll show you guys what I got from Target real quick. I got some more snack cups. These are a lifesaver. Got the boys 2 long sleeve shirts. They didn't really have a lot of long sleeve stuff out yet. You know that Carter already has these jammies. They're his favorite, but they're getting too small on him. So I'm gonna go ahead and give Tanner his smaller ones, and these are for Carter. I think this was the biggest size we could find is a 5T. They definitely run like really small though. And then they had a ton of really cute jeans out, so I got Carter 3 pairs of Cat and Jack jeans for preschool. And I'm waiting on getting Tanner any jeans because he's just so short right now that 18 months looks big, and so does 2T. So I'm not sure which size to get him right now, but we'll see once it gets colder out and we really need some jeans. And then Chris actually thought of this. He's a genius. That I needed more pump bottles. Even though I don't feed my babies out of these, I do use Medela to pump. And God willing, I'll be a cow again, but I usually pump like at least 10 ounces a session, so I need these bigger bottles. And then Chris got like a ton of new shirts that he needed, so I was happy that he finally got himself some clothes. And I don't want to get myself anything until postpartum and like going back down to my normal weight, so nothing for me. And then quick life update. It's 4:27. I'm waiting for Peapod to get here. They should be here shortly. Put the boys down for a nap. They both fell asleep pretty much instantly. However, Tanner barely slept. He's either like, he's definitely teething. I don't know if he's like getting sick on top of it, but he's teething. So he is, sorry, I think Peapod's here. Chris is out front. He's teething and he's definitely not feeling himself. He's still like the sweetest, happiest little baby, but he's just not himself. I think tonight at bath time I'm gonna try to get some Motrin in him in the bathtub, because like we said, like he is so anti-medicine. He like gags and spits it back up, but he's in pain and he needs to get some sleep. He's barely gotten any sleep lately.
I'm sure it was just a big misunderstanding, but Tiff said she forgot to show you guys what I got from Target, so I'm gonna do a quick haul for you here because everybody's always asking like, what's Chris wearing? Where did he get that from? I think I hear Tiff laughing, but it's not funny. I mean, I read the comments and people are always questioning about my wardrobe, so I'll make sure to link this, but I'm just gonna show you some things I got from Target today. So guys, I'm obsessed with this brand, Goodfellow. Only at Target. I don't know that for sure, but loving this line of fall color t-shirts. Believe it or not, you can get these for $7 each. Just $7. 2 for $14. Is that unbelievable? Look at these colors. So these are all short sleeve. Then I went ahead and got the long sleeve with the pocket. I hear pockets are in now. So all the fashion blogs that I read are telling me that pockets are back. And then followed it up with a long sleeve collared polo. It's gonna be great for, you know, the casual holiday like Thanksgiving. So if you're tired of seeing your husband in the old Star Wars or NASCAR t-shirt, just, you know, you're welcome. Check these out. Surprise him. He'll love them. Super soft.
Say prayer. Hands together. Amen. Amen. No amens today?
Is that so delicious?
It's covered in.
Eeny, meeny, tortellini.
Eeny, tornado.
Eeny, meeny, tortellini. Don't judge me.
Wow.
It is done.
honey. Pouring down rain. So how did you like your dinner?
Not good.
Yeah, because now we're eating popcorn for dinner. And Tanner's eating breakfast cookies for dinner. Daddy.
Yes.
He's eating the bag.
Yeah, no. That's his method.
How?
No, you need to learn. Oh.
He said help.
I know.
So, fed is best, right?
Bowl and I
What?
watch Bowl
You wanna
upstairs.
watch Bolt?
Now.
Ready? Jump around. Hey, hey?
Hey,
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you were playing soccer with me.
KK wanna. KK Girkie. I wanna Rona. Mommy.
Hey, mommy. Chris is giving the boys a bath and I'm bouncing on my ball. But so sweet. Carter just told me that Tanner gave him 2 kisses and I said, oh, that's so sweet. And he said, it made my feelings feel better.
I'd be shocked if you got
Doing something right.
1.75 in.
Chris is talking about trying to give Tanner Motrin. He just spits it all out, but he's teething so bad. I thought we were done this stage, but no. Come on, Ella. Okay, so we just got the boys down. You're lucky your nose is broken.
Sorry if I talk a little funny. Tanner just slammed his head into my nose.
But
Legit, like, thought it was gonna be completely sideways.
can you still smell?
Yeah, smell that stuff on your belly.
Clary Sage. I'm talking about all of the farts that Carter and Tanner were doing in our bed.
Oh, I'd rather smell those.
Really? Is that bad?
It doesn't smell good.
Um.
But if it does the trick, then.
It's supposed to give you contractions, but I'm actually gonna go take a bath. What are you gonna do? Can you hold this? My arm
Alright,
hurts.
go to sleep. I know, I was doing that. It really does. It's hard work.
It is.
So, it was a really, really good weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with us. So,
Doctor's appointment tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Strip my membranes.
I'm going back to work. Maybe for the whole day. We'll see. Come on. Alright, go enjoy your bath, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.